If you're looking for garden hand tools hose, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Top 10 Garden Hand Tools Hose. Number 1, Most Popular, by the Ames Companies Incorporated. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by the Ames Companies Incorporated. Number 3, by Bully Tools. For more details about these garden hand tools hose, just click this circle. Number 4, by Rogue. Number 5, by HongyeTaja. Find these garden hand tools hose at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by the Ames Companies Incorporated. Number 7, by Truper. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Rogue. Number 9, by Forgecraft USA. Discover more garden hand tools hose ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Prohoe.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.